Welcome to this week's Wisdom Wednesday. Today, we're exploring faith and trust, two powerful virtues that help us navigate life's challenges. Let's dive into some wisdom that will inspire and strengthen you on your journey. Faith is believing without seeing. Trust is knowing that what you believe will happen, even when you don't understand the process. Faith takes the first step, even when the destination is unknown. Trust walks confidently, knowing that God leads the way. Faith is the assurance of things hoped for, the conviction of things not seen. Trust is the confidence that God will deliver on His promises. Faith says, God will make a way. Trust waits with patience, knowing that God's way is perfect. When you have faith, you believe in the impossible. When you trust, you rest in the truth that nothing is too hard for God. Faith gives you the courage to step out of the boat. Trust gives you the peace to keep walking, even when the waters are rough. Faith is a leap into the unknown. Trust is the calm assurance that God will catch you. Faith moves mountains. Trust gives you the strength to climb them. Faith is the shield that protects you from doubt. Trust is the foundation that keeps you grounded in hope. Faith believes in miracles. Trust waits for God's perfect timing to see them come to pass. Faith brings you to the door of opportunity. Trust opens it, knowing God's plan is on the other side. Faith says, God is with me in the fire. Trust rests in the peace that He will bring you through the flames unscathed. Faith is walking by faith, not by sight. Trust is knowing that even when you can't see the path, God is lighting the way. Faith allows you to dream big. Trust reminds you that God's plans for you are even greater. Faith brings you hope in difficult times. Trust brings you peace in the waiting. Faith tells you to pray for the impossible. Trust reminds you that God is working behind the scenes, even when you can't see it. Faith gives you the strength to keep going. Trust assures you that your steps are ordered by the Lord. Faith keeps you focused on the promise. Trust gives you patience for the process. Faith says, God can. Trust says, God will. Faith is believing in God's promises, and trust is relying on His perfect timing. Faith is holding on when the world says to let go. Trust is knowing that God holds all things together for your good. Faith believes in God's promises. Trust waits for His perfect fulfillment. Faith steps forward in boldness. Trust rests in the assurance that God is already there. Faith pushes you toward your calling. Trust keeps you steady as you walk in it. Faith lifts you up when you're weak. Trust sustains you with the knowledge that God's strength is made perfect in your weakness. Faith is your guide through the storms. Trust is your anchor when the waves get rough. Faith brings you peace when the future seems uncertain. Trust reminds you that God already holds the future. Faith says all things are possible. Trust lives as though that promise is true every day. Faith gives you the courage to take risks. Trust gives you the peace to wait for God's results. Faith plants the seed. Trust watches as God brings the harvest. Faith is stepping out when you don't know the outcome. Trust is the assurance that God is in control of the outcome. Faith inspires you to pray. Trust allows you to wait on God's perfect timing. Faith is trusting God's character. Trust is resting in His plan. Faith says, God will provide. Trust waits, knowing that His provision will be enough. Faith reaches out for God's promises. Trust holds on, knowing His promises are sure. Faith declares, God is good. Trust believes that truth, even when life doesn't make sense. Faith brings you to the foot of the mountain. Trust helps you climb it with confidence. Faith is stepping into the unknown. Trust is walking confidently, knowing that God is in control of the unknown. Faith lets you see the big picture. Trust gives you the patience to see it unfold. Faith overcomes obstacles. Trust gives you peace in the process of overcoming them. Faith reminds you that God is with you in the battle. Trust assures you that the victory is already won. Faith believes in the dream. Trust rests in God's ability to make that dream a reality. Faith is the confidence that God will provide. Trust waits in peace for His provision. Faith fights the good fight. Trust stands firm, knowing God will win the war. Faith prays for a miracle. Trust waits for God's hand to move. Faith declares victory in the face of adversity. Trust rests in the assurance that the battle is already won. Faith looks beyond the circumstances. Trust stays rooted in God's promises, no matter the situation. Faith helps you move forward. Trust keeps you steady when the journey gets tough. Faith reaches out for the unknown. Trust lets you rest in God's perfect plan. Faith helps you believe for the impossible. Trust lets you wait for the impossible to come true. Faith gives you hope for tomorrow. Trust lets you live in peace today, knowing that God is in control. Thank you for joining us on this journey of faith and trust. Remember, faith gives you the courage to believe in the unseen, while trust allows you to rest in God's perfect plan. Together, they empower you to live boldly, knowing that God is always with you. Until next time, keep walking in faith and trust, knowing that God is with you every step of the way. I'm your host, Abigail. Have a faithful day full of hope and strength.